Hello everyone, welcome to 254 Montreat Drive in Lexington. This is a Sagamore Homes new construction, main level living. We'll head on inside. First you'll see a camera doorbell and keyless entry. As we walk inside, one of my favorite features of this place is the wide entryway. Just a very welcoming space. To the right, we have dining room, or if you are working from home and need a home office, a couple of French doors on this opening. I'll back up here. And one into the kitchen would make a great home office. We'll walk down the hallway to the secondary bedrooms. Both have let in a lot of afternoon light, good size, enormous closets for a second and third bedroom. Here's one. Kind of an old section all by itself. We've got the two bedrooms, a full bath, and the other bedroom. And another big closet. The builders did not scrimp on storage space in these homes. Plenty of places to put your things. All right, so from here, we'll head across the hallway to the kitchen. It's Samsung appliances. The stove will go in. Dishwasher. You actually have a choice of gas stove or electric. And a peninsula into the eating area and living room. So if I turn around here, that's the dining room, looking out to the front yard. Let me see, I can show you the front yard. The home sits back. We're at the end of the cul-de-sac. There's only one street into Montreat, which is Montreat Drive, and then the cul-de-sac, which is where we sit. Okay, back into the kitchen. I'll show you the pantry area. Shelving on two walls in the pantry. Gas logs. There's gas run to these homes, so you can choose gas logs or a gas stove. And then let's look out back here. A covered porch. And the lot goes back to the tree line. This sits on a little more than an acre, which in new construction is very unusual. Nice to have all this elbow room. All right, back inside. I like to show the view from the other end of the entryway. That's the front door you're seeing. And the kitchen area. We'll head towards the hallway here, and there's the laundry room. This is a big laundry room. Plenty of room for not only washer and dryer, but ironing board, folding table, or even a laundry sink, or all three. In the hallway, we have the drop zone. Place to put your things when you come in from the garage. And the coat closet. I'll show you the garage area. Garage door. All the garages are a great size if you have that long pickup truck. There's room Okay. And now to the master suite. Master suite is downstairs as well. So there's 3 bedrooms downstairs. And then after that, we'll head upstairs. There's a bonus room, bedroom, and full bath upstairs. But back to the master bedroom. This looks over that backyard and the tree line. And the master bath. Granite countertops, double sink, a tile shower, a large linen closet, plenty of shelves for towels and linens, bed linens, a separate toilet room, and then a nice big master closet. You have shelving on 3 walls, double shelving in the back, and then 2 on each side. Okay, let's head up that staircase and I'll show you the bonus area upstairs. The flooring in the kitchen and the stairs are luxury vinyl plank, which is great. It looks like wood, but it's durable. Here's your bonus room. Great place for relaxing, playing games, watching videos, or another home office. And we have the bedroom, which looks onto a side yard. Another good sized closet. Get the switch on here with shelves on either side. And into the other bathroom. Here we go. One sink, same nice countertop. And another linen closet. Okay. Well, that completes our tour. I hope you enjoyed it. This is priced at just under $335,000. There's actually, if you close before the end of May, there's a $10,000 bonus, which is awesome. You can use it towards upgrades like refrigerator, washer and dryer, fencing in the backyard. Also $6,500 if you use our preferred lender and attorney. If you have any questions, please call Blue Door Group. We'll be happy to help you, steer you in the right direction. You all have a great day.